Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going on a little trek from Sydney's southern suburbs into Chippendale to a place called Spice Alley, where they have a various range of different Asian foods to eat. Okay, let's go, we're off. Okay, we're just getting to the train station. Hopefully we won't be waiting for long for one to come. Shouldn't be. It's a work day, so we're getting into the later afternoon. Tap on. Saying 3 minutes, 3-minute wait to the next train, so that's pretty good. That's not very long. Okay, here's our train.
This station is Penshurst.
Next up is Redfern follow by control. You can change for Redfern by Inner West and Western Line services, Liverpool Line services, and Orthodox Redfern service. Redfern next up follow by Central.
Central Station. Yeah, we're going to walk around and go to, there's a tunnel to get to the other side. The light rail's out that way. Yeah, we've got to get to the tunnel to get across to Chippendale. Okay, so like always, don't forget to tap off. So to get to the tunnel you have to tap off here. It's towards Railway Square we're going. And there's a pedestrian tunnel here that's been here all my life. It goes underneath the lines and takes you over to the other side near Chippendale. A lot of university students come through here because the UTS is on the other side of this tunnel as well. So it's a busy thoroughfare. How are you? How are you? So as you can see, it's quite a lively place. I'm just going to take some shots of some of the menus and advertising around here for you. So I took a few different shots. I didn't get too many. There's so many to look at. There's even things outside. There's a whole laneway. Maybe next time I'll get that. A lot of cute things like this one. And tonight I had Singapore noodles. There's so many different choices, but so yeah, that's Spice Alley. Thanks for watching. Next time I'll get a longer walkthrough, but that's all for now. Catch you next time. Bye.